Hello, friends. You are highly welcome back to my channel. How are we doing this morning? Wow, let me believe you all are doing good. For my new friends, if today is your first day of coming across my videos, hello, this is Gracelink. You are highly welcome to the family. So feel free to subscribe, turn on the bell notification, so that whenever I post my videos, you will see it. To my old subscribers, to my wonderful friends, those that's been supporting me here, I so much appreciate you guys. You guys are equal to none. I love you guys. Okay, all right, so without wasting much of our time, let's go straight to the business of the day. But before we do that, I want to ask you this question: have you been able to smile today? Have you been able to put a smiling face? Where that smiling face is gonna attract jovial good people, is gonna attract luck to you. But when you frown your face this way, many people will look at you, but I pray it will not be your passion. Just try and wear a smiling face, okay? It helps a lot. It helps a lot. It will even help make your enemies not to know what you're passing through. But when you get from, they will know, wow, we are really hitting her hard. We are really hitting him hard. But when you smile, they'll be like, are you sure we are actually getting, or maybe he or she is doing something, one thing or the other, just to fight back. Okay, so try and wear a smiling face always, and then be cheerful. Don't stop doing good to people. Okay, that by the way, I want to talk about this. This is onions. When I asked you guys what do you know about onions, many people was like they were like, onions is used for cooking. Yeah, I believe that. You can use it one for your medical health. Medically, you can use onions for cough and catarrh. It helps. You can use onions for clearer vision. Yeah, it helps. You can use onions. You can grate onions and one other thing, ginger and garlic, to drink. This is manpower to perform in the other room. This is for the men in the house or the mommies. Yeah, if you want your husband to ride well in the other room, you can add onions, red onions for that matter, grate it and extract the juice, give it to the person. Onions is good, but I want to tell you more about onions. So relax. Today may be the first time of hearing this, or maybe you have been hearing it before. Yes, I'm repeating it today, maybe to renew the knowledge, just to remind you that in case you are passing through something and you really need changes, onions, you can easily get onions. It's not scarce. My own video I always do with something you can easily get by your side. You can just get from the local market that is not expensive. Just that we underestimate the power of nature. Let us allow nature to take care of itself. Let us allow nature to handle some of this ailments. Okay, so let's go straight. Onions, as we all know, we can use it in so many ways. Maybe you don't know. First, we can use onions to ward away bad spirits. Let me tell you, it's not always when you start having attack that is when you know that this evil ones are against you. Do you know when you start having some unnecessary disturbance, maybe in your house, maybe you're married, your husband, any little thing you see, everybody will be like, why? If something that shouldn't cause an issue will escalate to something, you'll be like, what's this? Sometimes the evil ones are not always happy seeing you happy. Sometimes in your business area, you will see yourself, people start avoiding you. It's not only when you start seeing some, maybe when you're sleeping, somebody will come and stab you. That is when you know that you're passing through some attacks. Let me tell you, there are some negative forces that may be around you. You may not really know them because you don't pay attention to them. Before you know it, you are going down slowly. Okay, so let me now go straight. So you can get onions, just extract the bark this way. Those ones you are seeing here, burn them. Cover your window. You can you can stay there and inhale it. Cover your windows, your doors. Just make sure you burn them. Allow the smoke coming out from there to circulate around your room. It's gonna help ward off evil. Start doing this from 11 p.m. Okay, it's gonna help ward them off immediately. And that's not just it. You can get onions this way, grate it and put it in your bathing bucket. Yes, onions is wonderful. Grate it and put it in your bathing bucket. Allow it to stay the next day. Use it after taking your shower. Use it to pour from head to toe. Don't excuse me. Don't towel yourself. Just pour from head to toe or from face to down. I'll stay there for some minutes for it to dry up. Are you surprised? Don't be surprised. Don't be surprised. We are here to impact some knowledge, So if you also know more about onions, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. I will definitely thank you for that, and also update you guys in my next video. Now, that's not enough. Like I told you, you can burn it, you can scrape it, put it in your bathing bucket to bathe with it. Yeah, you can as well use onions in this way. Please, for you to use it for your enemy, you must know the name of that person. For you to use it, for you to use onions on your enemy, like if someone is really after you, you must know the name of the person, please, so you don't make that mistake of using someone else's name. Just get the name of the person, get your onions, get white paper, and get salt. You can use any salt of your choice. Okay, in case if you don't have Epsom salt, you don't have Epsom, you don't have sea salt, please look for local salt. Those ones you can get it from the market, any market at all. Okay, when you get it, please get me a knife, sharp knife. Open the onion, but you must not allow it to cut into two completely. Just open it. At a point you have to stop there. Excuse me. And then the white paper in your hands, use it and write the name of that person clearly and boldly written. Be careful you're not standing in someone's gap. Be careful if you know you are not the reason why somebody is crying. I always tell you, make sure you are absolutely sure that you're not standing on someone's blessing or happiness. Okay, so after cutting these onions, writing the name of the person with the red pen, you're submitting a supplication. Red pen, write the name of the person in red pen, put it inside the onions, and then add salt. 1, 2, 3. Use the tip of your hand, pack some salt. 1, 2, 3, and then mold it back. Cover it back. Use nylon to tie this. Recite Psalm 35. If you can recite it for 7 good times, that will be perfect. Make sure you call on the name of the person while reciting it. Fight against me, those that fight against you. Fight against the name of the person that is fighting against you. Make sure you are sure he or she is the person in charge, or he or she is the person in charge of your misfortune, so you don't make a mistake, so it won't bounce back. After reciting it for 7 good times, you tie this in a black nylon. Go and discard it somewhere. Allow it to be there and let it just rotten there. Don't touch it, don't go look for it, don't see it, and then watch your enemy confess to you. Watch them after 7 good days. In case if you really know how to know who is after you, I have a video about it. You can check in the description box. If you do forget your dream, because sometimes you may be seeing your enemy in the dream, but once you wake up, because they've inflicted your dream, you may not be able to remember it. Please check down the description box what to do so you can remember your dreams, and also check what you can do to know who is actually against you. So you need these dreams. And for my friends, those that have been complaining of how to remove evil eye from your house, and how some people, they walk but they can't even boast of anything. They walk like elephants and eat like ants. Please, for those that wants me to talk on how to remove the evil eyes against you, it's better you break the curses and then do cleansing. Sometimes you may not really know the area they are coming from, right? So do cleansing, cleanse yourself. I will tell you more about that. Cleansing with egg. Okay, you have to cleanse yourself. You have to break every curses, no matter the cause. Sometimes it may be something that forefathers did that is haunting the present generation, so you need to break curses. Of course, that's my very first video, curse breaker soap. Produce that soap, use it to but you can produce it in a larger quantity, so the entire family members will use it and take a shower. Okay, when you, of course, I gave instructions on how to use that one. So if you in case you don't know about that one, please go check it out. The same in description box is there. And that's not just all. Another thing I still want to tell you is this. Yeah, you can use the power as a woman to guide your home as long as you're out to do it. Your urine, I talk about urine. I talk about urine here, so you can check the video out. I also talk about bay leaf. You can check the video out. I also talk about honey and thyme. You can check the video out. I also talk about sand, the normal sand we all know, the one we match on. See, the one thing with sand is that it's everywhere. If you want to go deeper beneath the stream, you get sand there. Our houses are enrooted in where soil or the sand itself. So praying with sand can do so many wonders. I will talk more about that in case you still need more clarification. For the other person to talk about walking like an elephant and eating like ants, I'm going to talk to you, and then I'm going to, my next video, please make sure you watch out my next video. Sometimes the devils are not happy, the evil ones are not happy, because they know too well that once you start doing good, that once you're okay, your families will smile, and for that reason they will be putting obstacles, stumbling block here and there. But be sure your hands are quite clear, so that it will not be repercussion or after effects of what is happening. Even if it's after effect, please, you have to break the curse out. If you're a woman, use your urine judiciously. If you're a woman, married woman for that matter, you use your urine judiciously. Yeah, you can add urine in the bathing bucket, the one your husband is gonna bathe with. He may not know about it. You can just add drops of urine there. Your early morning urine, you can just gather 3 days early morning urine. Make sure you don't have infection, please. Don't have infection. Make sure you treat the infection very well before doing this. Make sure you treat infection. I want to tell you, make sure you do that. So you can use the urine. Even your son, maybe your son or your daughter that is not going astray, that's not the main way you train that child to be, and they started mixing up with friends, bad ones for that matter. Use your urine. Put urine in the water he is going to bathe with. Urine is powerful. I think I have touched some areas, but watch me out in my next video. Definitely I have something to tell you more, and then I'm gonna contact you. You can check out for my number. In my previous video I posted my number. I've been getting some messages. Talk to God be the glory. But for now you can take it 081 566 9094. 081 5667 9094. Very easy. You can communicate with me. I remain your girl, Lily Gold. I remain your girl, Grace. This is Gracelinkherbal, where Grace speaks. Anything you come with, be rest assured to be taken care of. Only your faith can save you.